Hello and welcome to my second tutorial. This time I will show you something that's very cool. Um, I figured out last night how to install Assassin's Creed on your computer. It's right here, and I will show you a little video on how to install it and download it if you want. But first of all, I need to tell you guys that it's some kind of leaked version, so it doesn't run quite smoothly, but it's still okay, you know. Well, alright, just open up Internet Explorer. Wait a second till it loads. Alright, I will put all the links at my website. That's moviecrew.nl. You can find it with Google something. It's right here. I will post a new video on how to install it as soon as it's done. So, first of all, to download it, you need to go and get torrent. It's a program to download files, games, videos, anything you like. So, with Google, just gonna enter this, like download uTorrent. You can better take utorrent.com, the official website, and you need to click on download, and it will load. It's free. Well, get uTorrent. Just click it. And you will get a pop-up like this. And just save it or something like that. And it will download, and you just install it wherever you like. And I think that will work. So I already have it, so just stop it. Alright, I have it right here. All my downloads. Assassin's Creed and Assassin's Creed Fixed. Right, so the game is like 6.5 gigabytes, so you need to have some disk space. Once again, I will have the link on my website. If you can't find my website or something like that, we just download it here, torrents.com, and type in Assassin's Creed. You'll get a list of all available torrents, and I think it's the second one. Let's see. Yeah, just click it. Let's have a look. And I think it's the first one. High quality torrent, 6 votes. Should be okay. Not good. It's amazing. Well, alright. Don't need a password. Okay, that's nice. So you have all kind of links here. You just take the one from Pirate Bay. Once again, if you go to my website, you don't have to do all this. I just will give you a direct link. So remember that. So this is really the link that you need. It says download torrent. Should be okay. Alright, you see, always watch the size. You need to remember that.